Elvis, are you feeling better now? What was wrong with you? Was it? And what's today been like? Really? What are you going to do tomorrow? Are you? Do you want to go shopping at all? What do you want to do when you go shopping? What are you going to buy? Are you sick? Will you need to sit? Okay. Elvis? I don't think so. Elvis? Elvis, I'm asking you a question. Did you see Auntie Joyce today? Where's Auntie Joyce? Is she? Did you have a sausage today? Do you want to go home yet? Home? What are you going to watch on telly tonight? Is that a new jumper you've got? That's a nice jumper. Jumper, yeah. Who made it? Is that an Urban Pup one?